Hello everybody, welcome back. Fumbler here. And yeah, today I have another lock from the amazing box that Dawn Picks sent me. And this time it is a BAB lock, which is also a lock from the German Democratic Republic, or the company was founded there. And after that all collapsed, it was bought out by, I think, Icon, Zeiss Icon first, and then Assa Abloy Group, and then it was closed afterwards. So also this lock is a bit older, but it is very hard to pick actually. Have a look at the keyway. It's not so frustrating, but actually it's a bit hard to get attention in there, because this just goes all the way. So yeah, let's put it in a vise and get it picked. So here we are back in the vise. I actually have a shoulder bitting. The first pin is very long, protects the others a bit. Works very nice. So yeah, let's try to get it picked. Using this medium hook, the PN07 in 0.6 millimeters, and picking off this ledge here in the keyway. One is binding, good click there. And now I think 5 is binding. Good click, and we have a nice false set. And click on 4, and we lose the false set again. Let's see. Again. So 1 is still happy. 3 is not binding at all. And now I can't get under 5 or on top of it. So we'll use a half diamond to set it, hopefully. And here we have the false set back. It's really a back and forth with this lock. So you have to tap the pins all over the place. Just visited 1 again, and that's 5. And we're open. Cool. Let's have a quick look at the effectiveness of the spools. Yeah, they sit in there right very deep. Give you a good false set. But picking showed that the binding order was hiding that a bit. Let's get the pins out. Oh, wafer in 1, wafer in 2. Oh no, that was 2 and 3 all together. Oh, come on. And well, now I need to find out what is 2 and what is 3. So that is 2. That is 3. And let's check out the first pin. Yeah, okay. So unfortunately the master wafer is needed for the lock to work with this key. So we'll leave it in. So I don't know what gave me so much troubles. Maybe there were strong springs or so. Definitely not so easy to pick. But I see nothing special on the core. Nope. Also the Bible looks normal. Yeah, maybe I was just being clumsy or the strong springs kept me out. Because yeah, the pins are not tapered as far as I can see. But yeah, we have nice spools in 2, 3 and 4 and standards in 1 and 5, and unfortunately a master wafer in 1, which I cannot get rid of, but yeah, still a very nice lock to pick. So thanks again, Dawn, for lending me this, and everybody else, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.